Good afternoon, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name's Harry. I'm just going to show you around this absolutely lovely 2019 Audi Q5 Black Edition. This is the 2.0 TDi 40. It's done just over 42,200 miles. It's two owners. I believe the first one was Audi, followed by one private owner. It's had full Audi service history right up until the very last one, which was done at an independent. But lovely condition, really good options list on this one, and yeah, we'll show you around. It's two keys with this one, finished in quantum grey, which is very similar to Nardo grey, really good looking. Got front and rear parking sensors, adaptive LEDs, obviously being the Black Edition, all the black exterior detailing, these lovely 20-inch gloss black with diamond turned rotor alloy wheels, the side running boards, which are key goods on these, obviously the all-important panoramic glass roof, keyless entry, push button start. In there you obviously got all of the S-line interior, which is leather and Alcantara with the S embossed into the backs of the seats. Lumbar support, they're obviously heated. Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. It's got the technology pack, so comfort and sound pack, all that jazz. Wireless charger, piano black detailing throughout the cabin. Privacy glass, 3-zone climate control, so climate control for the rear passengers. Car's in really nice nick, to be honest with you. Some Continental all-season tyres, which are all relatively new, not need to change anything like that anytime soon. Obviously got reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, power boot, obviously parcel shelf and everything present, the original first aid kits, and Audi bits and bats. That's your subwoofer for your B&O sound system, toolkit next to that. Great looking cars these, very good on fuel as well. If you want something with plenty of room, it's economical to run, these are fantastic. Hope the condition's coming across well on camera as well. Very well looked after. So jumping on into the cabin. So much beeping at me because the car's running. So when you first get in, you've obviously got the Audi virtual cockpit. So on there you've got your full maps and all the other bits and bats. And on here, all of your drive mode selects, the usual bits and bats that you find: satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, etc, etc, etc. And then the all-important Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is absolute must in this day and age. There's also like background lighting and bits and bats in the settings on there. You've got heated seats, as I mentioned, the 3-zone climate control, all of your drive mode select, stop, start, on, off. Always have that off, by the way. And then hill descent control. Push button start, as I mentioned. And then all of the touchpad and controls for the screen there. And then obviously all your gears and auto hold, etc, etc. Wireless charger, a couple of cup holders, 2 keys, as I mentioned. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice command, all your usual. Flat bottom multi-function steering wheel. That's, everyone always asks for that, and I mean, it's nice when it has it, but I've never understood the mass appeal to that. But if you want a flat bottom steering wheel, it's got one. Automatic lights, wipers, auto high beam assist, which you'll see down there. The mirrors are electric heated and folding door mirrors. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Again, the pan roof. That is a tilt and slide pan roof. If you're unaware, you can slide it all the way back or have a little bit of a tilt if you just want a little bit of fresh air in the cabin, like that. And if you don't want one at all, pull that across. Pan roofs, some people ring me up and say, Harry, I don't care that it's got a pan roof, make it the same price as one without it. Unfortunately, that's not the way it works. However, if you are the kind of person that hates a pan roof, you have got a blind, pull that across, and the benefit to you is the car is going to be worth an awful lot more when you come to sell it, because it'll be one of 20 as opposed to one of 387. But makes a massive difference in value. There you go. That is our 2019 Audi Q5 2-litre TDI 40 Black Edition. Absolute mouthful, but there she is. As I mentioned, 2 owners, full Audi service history up until the very last one, 2 keys, lovely condition. If you are interested in this, if you want some more information, we'll put a link to the full advert in the description below, or just give one of the team here at Kingsbridge a call. We will be more than happy to help. But thank you ever so much for watching. If you are into seeing very, very nice specification cars for sale in the UK, if you're looking at one now or in the future, consider subscribing to the channel. Keep up to date, because we always get the best stuff in here. And yeah, thanks for watching. We shall see you in the next one. Cheers.